Kyoko's kitchen version of street tacos, starting with Napa Cabbage.
Free Napa Cabbage, yeah. And
just gonna finely chop several veggies and add a sauce flavoring to it, and that'll be the topping, one of them. Wow. You cut your fingers. I would. That's why I don't cook, I just hold the camera. Oh, finely chopped. Julienne style. Alright, add the carrot.
there.
What's next?
The radish.
Okay.
Daikon, Japan daikon.
Japan Daikon, which is a kind of big radish.
And the same size as the Napa Cabbage.
Okay. First she sliced it, and now she's cutting each slice into those shapes. I don't know what you call it, but those shapes.
Tablespoon green onion.
Okay, 1 tablespoon of sliced green onions.
Chopped onion.
And now that you've got the veggies prepared for part of the topping, now you're going to make the Bulgogi sauce, which is what we use inside the Kyoko Kitchen Street Taco. So brown sugar, how much?
Quarter cup.
1/4 cup of brown sugar.
I think we put the recipe after, so quarter cup.
Okay, shoyu.
And about 1 tablespoon sesame oil.
Sesame oil is always good in everything.
And the 2 cloves of garlic.
2 cloves garlic diced.
And
Ginger grated, and this happens to be grated and then frozen, but you can grate it fresh. And you mix it. That has a good smell.
yeah, that's the mix. And put the 2 tablespoons green onion.
Okay, some more green onions, chopped green onions.
And then mix it.
And guess what's going to go in here?
Meat.
The pork, the thinly sliced pork.
Pork or beef or chicken.
Yep, any of those.
Yeah.
But I have to say I like the thinly sliced pork the best. Sometimes that's hard to get in a bakery or in a butcher shop.
Okay,
But certainly in an Oriental butcher shop, they always have thin sliced pork and beef.
and the put in there.
Mix it up.
And the fry.
Actually let it sit there a little while, it won't hurt.
Yeah.
Like 5 minutes or so. Okay, turn on fire under the skillet. In our case, we're using gas. Lay the soaked meat out in the skillet. It won't take long to fry at all. As you can see, it's almost all cooked already. Just have to get them brown, get rid of the red part. Now warm up the street tacos however you decide to do it until they start to form a bubble on each side. Now to those veggies we prepared earlier, add a little ajipon, which is a ponzu and shoyu combination.
Vinegar in the shoyu.
Vinegar and shoyu. Mix that up. That's going to be the topping. Looks like we have a lot of topping.
Yeah, 2 tablespoons. Yeah. Okay, that's it.
Veggies on. Meat. Gotta make 2 of them. And then the onions. Chopped. And last, a little bit of cheese. Any of these items are optional, but there you go. There's a very big street taco.
Another one.
And here comes one veggies,
And
meat, onion,
and the cheese.
and cheese. And there you go.
Street taco.
2 street tacos.